The 163-year-old British shipmaker that built the Titanic said that it's insolvent after failing to acquire the funding needed to stay afloat. Harland & Wolff, a Belfast company that specializes in ship repair, shipbuilding, and offshore construction, said the rejection of its request for a $264 million facility from UK Export Finance has left the loss-making company in a difficult financial position. The company has 4 shipyards, and its current operations include a plan to build 3 FSS vessels, converting the HMS Corn Atherstone for the Lithuanian Navy, and delivering barges and other projects. The FSS project is of particular importance to Harland & Wolff, which said it would see more than 6 million hours deployed at its Belfast and Appledore shipyards in delivery of the vessels. The company said the project would generate a, quote, wealth of learning, experience, and expertise across many aspects of shipbuilding, which will endure for years to come. But preparations for the FSS project have been at a standstill since July, and now Harland & Wolff is facing the difficult decision to reduce headcount in non-core and certain central support areas. The company said a further reduction in headcount in its core activities may be necessary, depending on the outcome of some strategic objectives. As CNN points out, this isn't the first time that Harland & Wolff has faced the possibility of bankruptcy. The company was preparing to restructure in 2019 before UK energy company Infrastrata agreed to buy its assets for about $8 million. The revived company last year delivered the first ship from its Belfast shipyard in more than 2 decades. Harland & Wolff has been a prolific shipbuilding company since it was founded in 1861 by Sir Edward James Harland and Gustav Wilhelm Wolff. But its most famous project was the RMS Titanic, which, along with the RMS Olympic, were at the time the largest vessel construction projects ever undertaken. The Titanic, of course, sank in 1912. I'm Ben Munson, and this is Manufacturing Now.